420 Things Grow in Ontario. Welcome back to the channel. Another unboxing. Unboxing here, unboxing there. Doing a lot of stuff today. This is an Amazon product that I buy. No sponsorships, no nothing, okay? And this is a timer. So I don't know what you guys and girls use for timers, whether it be for watering or lights, yada, yada, yada. These are a decent digital timer, okay? They're not that expensive. There'll be a link in the description over to Amazon. That link is an affiliate link, so if you were to buy one, I'd get a bit of a cut, okay? So what you want to do is there's 10 different cycles that you can do on and offs, right? So there's 10 ons, 10 off, 9 on and off. So you can set up to different timers, okay? And you can do it differently. So if you want to water 10 different times a day for 5 minutes a day, 5-minute times, you can do 10 different timers. Or you can set it up different timers, different days. So let's go to the number 1 timer here. Okay. So 1, okay? And this is on, okay? So when I'm going to turn it on, I'm going to hold the set button, and then all you're going to see up here is the flashing M. So then I'm going to go up, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So every day, I hit set, I go to my clock, and I want it to go to 7 p.m. is when I want it turned on, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, that's 7 a.m. 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, so 7 p.m. it's going to turn on every day of the week. Set, boom. So then all I got to do now is then go and do a setup of when I'm going to shut it down. So I'm going to use this for veg. So I'm going to go 18 hours-ish of light and give them a few hours of darkness for the plants to go. So that's pretty simple. Guys and girls, that's it. You got a 7-day-a-week timer for lights anyways. I've used this all the way up until my 480-watt light. I've never used it on a 1,000-watt HPS or metal halide. I don't know if, I know that, you know, time, like you would not want a 2-prong one, you want a 3-prong one, right? So it's worked for those 480s, and I've had them going forever, 3-4 cycles, and never had it. So, but I needed a third. I bought a 2-pack. There's 2-packs. There's single ones. You get a bit of better of a deal if you buy them from 2. I think it's like $30 for 2, and one's like 19 or something like that. So if you buy 2 more, 5, whatever, you get a bit of a discount, right? Links in the description. Amazon associate link. I'll get a bit of a cut if you buy one through me. So if you come here and you like this and you're like, oh, look, it's got the Monday to Friday, and I've made it an easier decision for you to buy one of these, go ahead and use my link, and the channel will get a bit of a cut, and I can buy more items like this and keep getting stuff for you guys and girls. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for now. Real quick unboxing. Like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. And check out some of our other videos. I have a unboxing playlist with everything that I unbox here. This, that, a whole bunch of other stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, bye for now.